freedom, freedom. Jah people rise, we say freedom. Chains can't hold with freedom. Africa calling freedom. Boy, them come with the crown and the whipping hand. Claim say them holy but them mash up the land. Take away the gold and the youth them soul. Babylon story always wicked and cold. But from the hills rise the warrior call. Marcus want them long before the fall. Ancestor spirit breeze through the night. Tell the picnic stand up, don't give up the fight. Oh, freedom fighters inna the battlefield, rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't hide the light. Truth upon them under just sunlight. Oh, freedom, fire blaze higher. Freedom, Jah is the supplier. Oh, them draw the map and divide the place. Take Africa riches, wipe smile off we face. Them plan deception like seed in a soil. But Jah give the warriors the strength fit while. Down inna the mountain not full of flame. Ball mogul step steady, them can't tame. Every drum beat is a message from the past. Tell the youth hold firm, freedom soon come fast. Freedom fighters inna the battlefield, rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't hide the light. Truth upon them under just sunlight. Oh, freedom, fire blaze higher. Freedom, Jah is the supplier. Oh, yeah. Rise up, oh African son. Chains broke long time, the healing done. Walk with Jah light, let righteousness lead. From roots to crown we plant the seed. And the people awaken, the trumpet sound. Ancestor footstep echo on the ground. No more silence, no more pain. Jah wipe the tears like morning rain. A new generation carry the flame. Proud African youth chant Jah holy name. From Kingston Street to Addis Ababa, we chant one word: freedom forever. Freedom fighters inna the battlefield, rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't stop the tide. The river of justice a flow so wide. Oh, freedom, lift up the fire. Freedom, Jah is the supplier. Africa rise, freedom. Babylon fall, freedom. Jah people bless, freedom. Freedom. Africa rise, freedom. Babylon fall, freedom. Oh, I. Freedom. Freedom. Jah people rise, we say freedom. Chains can't hold we. Freedom. Africa calling. Freedom. Them come with the crown and the whip in a hand. Claim say them holy but them mash up the land. Take away the gold and the youth them soul. Babylon story always wicked and cold. But from the hills rise the warrior call. Marcus warn them long before the fall. Ancestor spirit breeze through the night. Tell the picnic stand up, don't give up the fight. Freedom fighters inna the battlefield, rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't hide the light. Truth upon them under just sunlight. Oh, freedom, fire. soon come fast. Freedom fighters in the battlefield rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't hide the light. Truth upon them under just sunlight. Oh, freedom, fire blaze higher. Freedom, Jah is the supplier. Rise up, oh African son. Chains broke long time, the healing done. Walk with Jah light, let righteousness lead. From roots to crown we plant the seed. Now the people awake in the trumpet sound. Ancestor footsteps make up on the ground. No more silence, no more pain. Jah wipe the tears like morning rain. A new generation carry the flame. Proud African youth chant Jah holy name. From Kingston Street to Addis Ababa, we chant one word: freedom forever. Freedom fighters in the battlefield rising up strong with the lion shield. Colonial master can't stop the tide. Jah river of justice a flow so wide. Oh, freedom, lift up the fire. Freedom, Jah is the supplier. Freedom, freedom, Africa rise.